Yeah, shall we see about it? So, types of energy. Yeah, types, or else we have to say forms of energy. So, the first type is mechanical energy. Okay, the second one is wind energy. Third one is heat energy. Okay, three more energies are there. Okay, first we'll discuss about mechanical energy, wind energy, and heat energy. Shall we see about it, children? Yeah, I hope all are listening. Yeah, listen carefully. Mechanical, wind energy, heat energy. You just remember like this: MWH. Okay, WWH, like you just remember MWH. M means mechanical energy, W means wind energy, H means heat energy. Okay, so we'll see about it. So what is mechanical energy? So mechanical energy in the sense you just remember by using the machines, okay, by using the instruments. Okay, so energy that can be used to do work. So this you know it very well. It is a sum of an object's kinetic and potential energy. So kinetic energy, okay, this word is new for you. Okay, kinetic energy, what we have with us, okay, that is called kinetic energy. So potential energy is nothing but you are applying force on particular object, no, that energy is called potential energy. So kinetic energy what we have, okay, in our body, it in the stored manner. So potential energy what we are applying on a particular object. So in this picture you can see, okay, a boy is trying to fix the nail in a wooden box. Okay, so first picture you can see, second picture he is applying the force. Okay, and the third picture he fell on that. Okay, unfortunately. Okay, so if we apply the force properly we will do the work properly. For example, elevator, car, hammer in motion. So elevator is nothing but, okay, in that malls and all you might have observed, yeah, and car and hammer in motion. So motion means movement, that we have learned already. So the uses of mechanical energy. Motors use mechanical energy. So about car you know, no, cars as well as vehicles. Then mechanical energy makes work easier and faster. Okay, just imagine if we do our work by using only the hands, okay, we will take much time to complete that one. The same thing if you do by using the machines. For example, washing clothes, okay, as we have discussed already, by using the hands means, yeah, it will take time, yes or no, will take time. Okay, maybe 3 hours or 5 hours also, but if we use the washing machine, within 1 hour we can complete that work. Not 1 hour also, within half an hour we can complete that. Okay, so it makes our work easier and faster. Then mechanical energy transports goods and people from one place to another. Okay, for example, train, electrical train also. So everything is made up of machine. Okay, so it just is taking us in one place from other place. Okay, then washing machines already I told. So washing machines use mechanical energy. Washing machines, mixie, grinder, as well as the iron box, everything is making our work to do easier and faster. The reason we need, especially this mechanical energy, makes our work easier and faster. Yeah, then wind energy. What is the meaning for wind? Yeah, you know it. And just observe this picture. Yeah, the windmills are connected. I mean, are fixed in that water area. Okay, the reason is once the turbines, I mean, the wings rotates. Okay, automatically currents will be generated. Okay, so about that you will learn in the higher classes. Just we'll see what is the meaning for wind energy. Then we'll see what it is. So the definition. So you can see many windmills here. In this picture you have seen it's fixed in water, okay, to take current from the water by using the windmills. Here you can see in two places. Okay, it's fixed on the ground and many also. Then what is the definition of it? So wind power is the energy produced by the wind to generate mechanical power or electricity. So mechanical power or electricity in the sense, so current will be produced. So wind power is the energy produced by the wind, okay, by using the wind to generate the electricity, okay, mainly for electricity. So mechanical power in the sense the machines are fixed as possibly to rotate the wings, I mean the three wings, okay. Yeah, children. So, wind power is the energy produced by the wind generate the mechanical power or electricity. Okay, so only we are getting the electricity continuously and we can save for future also. So then what we have to see? Yeah, heat energy. So mechanical energy we have learned and wind energy, now heat energy. So about heat energy, you know it very well in the common things, okay, whatever, especially in cooking, okay, if you ask your mom, she will say, okay, so everything needed to do the warm in the sense hot, okay. For example, if you want to eat biryani, okay, if it is too hot and spicy means you will eat, okay. If not, it's fully cold, will you eat? No. So you need that hotness. So here you can see the picture, okay, burning the waste things, okay, then the oven, then here you can see the toaster. So why are these pictures examples of heat energy? So while a toaster uses electrical energy to power it, it transfers to heat energy. The heat energy warms means heating the coils, and this energy spreads from hot coils to the cold bread you place in the toaster. The best example I'll give you, the hot pan. Okay, hot pan, no, to make dosa. Yeah, even the idli cooker also. Okay, so hot pan dosa. Okay, we have to keep it on the stove. Okay, once it gets hot, I mean once it gets warm. Okay, what your mom will do? She will pour that rice flour, okay, within a minute, within few seconds you will get hard dosa. The reason is heat energy produced there, okay. That is simple example. Another one, the best example is iron box, okay. So once we connect the plug point into the switch, yeah, if we switch on that, automatically the current will flows through the wires and the iron box will get warm in the sense hotness. So here two energies are produced, one is heat energy, another one is electrical energy is spreading to other places, okay. So the heat energy is very easy, okay. Whatever things we are using in kitchen, especially for cooking, everything comes under the heat energy, okay. We people, see children, we people are making food from our home, okay, but in that hotels and all, they used to use the appliances, for example toaster, kettle, as well as the ovens, okay. So many things they will use as the appliances means, for example, like a washing machine, like that. So everything needed heat energy, plus heat energy will be converted as electrical energy. So we'll see the uses of heat energy now. So uses of heat energy, we use heat to cook our food, okay. The main source we use to heat to cook our food. To cook we are using hotness. We use heat energy to keep ourselves warm during winters. This we have experienced, right? Okay, during winter season we used to do like this, okay, to burning the firewoods and sitting near that. Then we use heat energy from the sun dry our washed clothes, okay. So once your mom is wash the clothes, what she will do? Whether she will fold and keep inside? Tell me. No, she won't. Okay, she will put it on the terrace. The reason is to dry the water. I mean to dry up the clothes. Okay, so because the sun will absorb the heat. I mean it will evaporates. So during daytime the water will be evaporated. Then we run our vehicles using heat energy generated by burning petrol. So about this you know it very well, right? We run our vehicles by using heat energy generated by burning petrol. So only the two-wheeler and all we are using the petrol. Okay, yeah. So four uses you have seen: to cook our food, warming during the winter season, and dry up the clothes. Fourth one, to use petrol for our vehicles. Okay, yeah, yeah, children. So what are the things we have discussed here? We have learned what is energy and its types. Can you tell me without seeing here? So energy is ability to do work. Yeah, so in that wind energy we have seen heat energy and mechanical energy. So and different forms of energy you have learned. So about heat energy, electrical energy, so sound, chemical and light energy you will learn in the upcoming classes. Okay, then energy, what is energy? Capacity for doing work and ability to do work. Two definitions you can remember, you can memorize. Okay, so once you go through the video again and again, okay, you will memorize. I hope now itself you have memorized. Okay, so please keep that in your mind. Yeah, so you know what is energy and it different forms also you have learned in the session. So the assessment part is wind energy can be used for dash. Okay, if you know the answer you can say wind energy can be used for dash. We use heat to dash or dash. So tell me the answer, dear children. Wind energy can be used for what? Pumping water. Once the water pumped we can get the electricity. Okay, then we use heat to dash or dash. Yeah, especially about for cooking. So we use heat to cook our food. Okay, even to prepare coffee or tea, whatever we supposed to heat it. Okay, then children, your today's homework. Write down 5 uses of each energy. Write down 5 uses of each energy. Here I will show you the tabular column. Yeah, mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy. Okay, so write down 5 uses of each energy. Okay, so mechanical energy you know it, wind energy you know it, heat energy also you have learnt in this session. So kindly write down, just observe your surrounding. Okay, observe the kitchen. Okay, observe your home. Okay, you will get many examples. Okay, so kindly write it down, the uses of each energy. Okay, we are using all the energy and energies, and also you can identify some more energy what we are going to see in the next session. Let's see how many of them identifying the few more energies. Okay, so kindly write down 5 uses of each energy. Okay, so try to do that. Observe your home, that's it, that's enough. You can find the more than 5 answers. Yeah, dear children. Yeah, thank you very much for your kind cooperation. So we'll meet in the next session. Kindly do the homework part. Yeah. So next class you will have the test. Ready for that? Once the test is over, we'll start the next session. Okay, dear children. So thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, kindly do all the homeworks. Okay, and be ready for the test. Thank you, dear children. Stay home and stay safe. We'll meet in the next session. Yeah, until then, bye bye.